Dad, stop. Seriously, stop walking. The blue paint on the trees is gone, which means we aren't on the trail anymore. Again!
Don't panic, June. It's just a scenic detour. My map shows a shortcut right down this ridge. We'll be at the car and eating lukewarm granola bars in 10 minutes, tops.
Mark, honey, look at these rocks. They're loose, the cliff is way too steep, and my mom's sense is tingling. We should really turn back.
The sun is gone, Lisa. We don't have time to turn back. We have to scramble down this section now before it's pitch black.
What does scramble mean? A, to cook eggs. B, to climb quickly using hands and feet. C, to run in a circle.
Dad, I'm scared. The woods are making a weird huffing sound, like a giant breathing through its nose.
It's just the wind, buddy. Just stay close to... Whoa! Whoa! Ah, my leg! Lisa, don't move. Everyone, stay exactly where you are.
Mark, your foot is trapped. Oh heavens, it's stuck deep between these two boulders.
It went right into a crevice. I heard the bone pop, Lisa. It's bad. Really bad.
What is crevice? A, a wide road. B, a narrow crack in a rock. C, a type of tree.
Mom, he's badly hurt. Look at his leg. We're in a tight spot, aren't we?
June used a great idiom. To be in a tight spot means to be in a very difficult or dangerous situation.
Mom, look, behind that big pine tree, something is moving, something really big.
Nobody move. Don't even breathe. It's a grizzly bear. He's picked up the scent of the injury.
Get behind me, kids! Mark, I have to check your extremity for a pulse, but we can't move an inch. What does extremity mean? A, a hand or foot. B, a loud noise. C, a mountaintop.
He's coming closer. Lisa, forget my foot. Get the bear spray out of the pack, now!
I have it, but Mark, look at the trees. If I spray now, the wind will blow it back into the kids' eyes.
Dad, the emergency kit. Use the flare. The bright light might scare him away.
What is flare? A, a signal light. B, a loud bell. C, a warm blanket.
Do it, Lisa! Pull the string! Pull it now!
He's running! The light worked! Look at him go!
He's gone, but we are still stuck. Mark, you're in shock and the wound is deep. June, blow the whistle, don't stop.
I'm getting dizzy, Lisa. Everything is getting fuzzy. I can't feel my toes at all.
Stay with me, Mark. Look at me. We have to keep you awake. Tell me about the car, the nice warm car.
The car, it's blue, like the trail markers. The ones we lost in the woods.
Help! Someone please help! We're up here! Please!
I hear something. Is the bear coming back for his dinner?
No, look, there's a light, a tiny moving light way down there in the valley.
It's so far away. They'll never find us on this ridge. It's too dark.
Yes, they will. June, the whistle. Blow it until your lungs hurt. Scream, Jake.
I see the red light. Stay where you are. I'm climbing up to you.
He's coming! Mom, he has a huge yellow vest and a big medical bag.
Search and rescue. Is everyone all right? I saw the emergency flare from 3 miles away.
My husband fell into a rock crack. He's badly hurt, and a grizzly bear was just a few feet away from us.
A bear? That explains the flare. Good thinking. I'll keep my bear spray ready. Let me see the leg.
I think his ankle is shattered. He can't move, and he's losing color.
It's a compound fracture. Sir, I'm going to apply a splint to stabilize you. Try to stay still. This is gonna pinch.
What is splint? A, a walking stick. B. A stiff support for an injury. C. A type of medicine.
Can I walk out of here? I need to get my kids to safety.
No, sir. There is no way you can walk on this. The trail is too narrow, and we can't risk another encounter with that bear while you're immobile.
What do we do? We can't stay here all night. It's freezing.
Dispatch, this is Steve. I have a Priority 1 medical emergency on the North Ridge, requesting an airlift for a family of 4.
An airlift? You mean like a helicopter? Like in the movies?
That's right, young lady. It's the only way to get your father off this cliff safely and quickly.
Will it land on the rocks? There's no room for a giant bird here.
No, it's too steep for a landing. They will have to hover and hoist him up on a cable. They're hovering! Everyone, shield your eyes! There's going to be a lot of dust and wind!
It's so loud. Lisa, hold on to the kids. Don't let them blow away.
I'm Sarah. We're gonna get you out of here. Hang tight.
Is he going to be okay? He's very pale and his hands are freezing.
We're moving fast. We're going to pull out all the stops to get him to surgery within the hour.
That's another idiom. To pull out all the stops means to use all your energy and resources to do something.
I'll take the children down the safe trail. Ma'am, you go up in the hoist with your husband.
Be brave, Dad! We'll meet you at the hospital! Don't forget to ask for the good pudding!
I love you guys. See you soon. I promise. No more shortcuts.
The ground is disappearing. Don't look down, Mark. Just keep your eyes on me.
Keep his oxygen high. We are landing in 3 minutes. Clear the pad.
Get him to room 4. We need a trauma surgeon immediately. Let's go. Let's go.
The surgery is finally finished. The doctors are very optimistic about his recovery.
I'm alive, and the doctor says I'll be as fit as a fiddle by summer.
Dad used our final idiom. To be as fit as a fiddle means to be in very good health. All right, class, let's see how you did. It's time for the vocabulary recap. Scramble. B, to climb quickly using hands and feet. That's what we had to do on those dangerous rocks. Crevice. B, a narrow crack in a rock. That is where Dad's foot got stuck when he fell. Extremity. A, a hand or a foot. The medic had to check Dad's extremity to make sure the circulation was still good. Flare. A bright signal light used for help. This is what Mom used to scare away the grizzly bear. Splint. B, a stiff support for an injury. The ranger used this to keep Dad's broken bone from moving.
And don't forget the idioms. These are my favorite part. Tight spot. A very difficult or dangerous situation. We were definitely in one of those on that ridge. Pull out all the stops. To use all your energy and resources to do something. The rescue team did this to save us. As fit as a fiddle, to be in very good health. This is how Dad is going to feel by the time summer comes.
Now it's your turn. Practice your English in the comments. Finish this sentence. The last time I was in a tight spot was when... Thanks for watching the Whitmore family. Stay safe out there, stay on the trail, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!